What is going on, guys? It's been 5 long years since I sold the Civic SI, and I have not had a build for the channel. I've had a daily driver, but not a build. So guys, I'm super pumped to show you all exactly what my next build for the channel is gonna be. So guys, enough talking, let's get right into it. Let's see what I bought. A lot of you are going to be asking yourself, especially if you watch the channel for a long time, Brian, that's not a Subaru WRX. And you are correct. This is my 2018 Ford Focus ST. And if you remember, especially if you've been watching the channel a long time, before I bought my Civic, I made a video, after I bought my Civic, I made a video, 5 cars I almost bought before I purchased my Civic SI. And the Ford Focus ST was on that list. Now, it's kind of a funny story though. This wasn't planned. I really was trying to find a WRX or a BRZ, but this got traded in my work and it was super clean. And at my work, I'm able to inspect these cars because it's what I do for a living. Trade-ins or auction cars, I bring them in and I do all the inspections before they go on the lot. So this was one of them. I drove this car and I just fell in love with it. Had to have it. I really didn't want another front wheel drive build, but I forgot how fun these cars were. I almost bought a yellow one way back in 2013 before I bought a new Toyota Camry, strange enough. Another backstory on why I like the Focuses. One of my best friends in high school, he had a yellow ZX3 stick car, and I used to love riding around in that thing and driving it. So the inspiration from this goes back about 15 years. But I have so many plans for this car, guys. This is going to be like a long-term build. And I'm not going to be out drag racing, seeing who has the fastest car, or even drifting or anything like that. I just wanted to build a cool car for me and my wife to get out on some back roads, enjoy it, go to car shows with friends, cars and coffee, and make cool YouTube videos for you guys. I've already filmed and purchased some stuff from this car. This car was completely stock when I got it, which was something I was looking for. I wanted something that nobody had modified before. The blow-off valve you heard earlier, I actually put that on. I did film that, but I didn't want to release the video, obviously, until I did this reveal video. So guys, Are you shocked that I ended up with a Focus ST? Comment down below if you're shocked. Comment down below what you think I should do to the car first. And I'm going to take you over here and I'm going to show you some stuff I've already bought for this car. Alright, for the OGs on the channel, my 6-speed mirror that was in my Honda Civic, I kept it, it's going in there. I've did a lot of researching. I see people do not really go with the cold air intake. I might eventually do an aftermarket intake just for looks, but for now we're just going to go with the K&N. Everybody's running K&Ns or the green filters I see. I did get me a Cobb access port. Turbo Smart blow off valve. This is already installed, but the video for this will be out soon. I got a Cobb shift knob. I got an ST badge for my key fob, little shorty antenna, and some one-step colder spark plugs. Oh, I guess I could have showed you all the interior of the car. It's not a ST2 or ST3. This is the base model, which I'm okay with. Maybe eventually I could find the Recaro seats, the ST2 or ST3 seats. But anyways, pretty clean. Alright guys, that's where this video is going to end. Short and sweet. Like I said, I just wanted to reveal my new car to you all. I know a lot of people have been waiting a long time to see what I was going to build next. This is totally unexpected, especially now it seems like we're an all Ford channel. I'm not a diehard Ford fan by any means, but it just kind of happened. Steven's F-150 kind of took off on the channel. Now we got the Focus ST, the Mazda. Tristan's got a lot of Ford products. So guys, I'm just super pumped. It's going to be a great year for a Brian Lewis vlog. I'm so glad to have a car again. It just feels super good. A lot of content's coming for this, guys. Make sure you check out the upcoming videos. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys. It really does help out. Go follow us on our other social medias. I'll link them down in the description box below, TikTok and Instagram. A lot of times TikTok sneak peek to the videos. Until next time.